Look at this beautiful flames. This is natural gas flames, bro. But when you have a fireplace mountain in the wall with the firebox and all that, you burn wood. With this fireplace heater standing on 4 legs, you can burn natural gas and propane. It has these logs that are fake though, but it makes it look like a realistic fire. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm sorry, but I had the fan going on it. It helps get the house warm faster. But look at this realistic fire. Okay, it's still 8. No, it's not. It's not 8:49. It's 10:50. No, 10:51. Look at this realistic fire. This is cool. Watch this. It burns the rest of the gas out of the burner. These are flames, and then that's the pilot light. Right there. This pilot on the left side. And the other side of this one that's going. That one right there, this one, burns propane. This burn can burn propane or natural gas. That pilot with the little flame, it's burning natural gas. It's creating some heat. The big burner with the big flames, they make so much heat, it's not even funny.